This is big man.
Yes.
You can't touch him anyhow you want to touch him. Man. You know, do you not afraid. Not afraid to haul your hand on him. You know, do you not? You pet them. We can come round same way.
Yes.
And touch this one the same way. You know, do you nothing.
This one is
Yeah, you can come touch this one same way.
Yes, yes.
You know, do you nothing. Yeah, I pet them. You know? My name is Donovan Brown. This is Broughton, near to Broughton School. This is where all hope stops. My donkey named Blackman, Warrior, Bigman.
So how many donkeys you have in total? And tell us,
7 donkeys me have in total.
tell us about the Dre car. It's a Dre,
Yeah,
right?
it's a Dre car.
I have 3 donkeys pulling
Yes.
it. So tell us what you use this car to do.
I use this car to do my livelihood, like burn coal. Use it to carry the coal. Use it to carry the wood when I cut. I use it to carry firewood for people. I use it to move house.
What kind of house?
Like 2 rooms house.
Okay.
Board house.
So them strong, are you put other donkeys?
No man, just
Try them?
yes.
Okay.
I just a full cup me gonna move this morning.
Oh.
A normal full cup, maybe about 10 by 10.
So
Full
how-
cup.
Okay. So
We
how,
move and put on it since
Okay.
morning.
so you go home now, go make them rest.
So me I go and go make them rest.
And you feed them.
Yes,
we're
me
going to
feed
give
them like, me give them Jagan and Guinness mix up with Lasco. Yeah, and brandy.
As in tap them tonic.
Yes, then tonic. That
Yes.
me use for them tonic.
So, how many donkeys you have in total?
7 donkeys.
you have 3 males?
Yeah, these are the men one.
Yes.
And them me use for the work. The ladies one at home, and them have the cubbies, we call it cubbies. So and them probably the cubbies we have to use for work.
Okay. So you say how old are the donkeys?
That one is about 15. That one is about 20. And that one is in their 30s.
9:30s.
Yeah, I all of them, they have them long time.
Them strong.
Yeah, them strong. Yeah.
Okay.
I am older than all these.
And you say you enter the Negril donkey
Yeah,
races?
yeah, we enter Dunkin.
So when you enter, how much you come?
How much me come?
Yes.
Boy, me come a second all the while, in a second me come, but if the best rider,
Yes.
you know, one black donkey like this, we call him Papa Low. Yeah. Film donkey I best.
Fastest.
Fastest.
Fastest in
He's
Westmoreland.
fastest in Westmoreland. No donkey go around film. I don't know when do the donkey. I'm always come up with the trophy at year time.
Okay.
Every year I carry home a trophy. He come from a retreat.
Okay.
My friend and him respond to the donkey race. So one idea we are going to carry to you, make you know him.
Okay.
Until you come back again next week, just pays me next week. So we can go towards him next week and we get more.
Yeah. So how you train a donkey for the races? Because I went to a number of the races, and sometimes the donkey is stopping at the middle of the race and turn back and start eating grass and everything.
Yeah, because
so,
it's a donkey now. Him not really used to a race like that.
Yes.
But donkey have to eat in a race.
Yes.
You understand?
So
it's
you're,
all about donkeys.
So you're,
So if somebody donkey even at work,
Yeah.
while they're at the race, it's all about donkey. Donkey have to do it. Because people are come to see donkey.
so how come some of the donkeys turn back and start eating grass instead of go forward?
All right.
Why them do that?
Why they do that?
Yes.
Because he not used to that. He used to feel right go a bush. So when you go a bush, you might eat grass. So you
Yes.
run him go a bush
Yes.
from your yard, and when you catch a bush, you tap and touch grass, you come off and start work.
Yes.
So I same thing in my work with Panny Track. Yeah. But the original donkey now, when we used to race,
Yes.
the time on Panny cart,
Yes.
we are go a bush. So him a run behind the cart all the while. So he motivate him, a practice all the while.
Oh.
Sometimes we tie him on Panny bike.
Yes. Oh. And you get the
So
training.
yes, as fast as the bike can ride, him run with the bike. But we're not going too fast. We are go with him speed till when him develop it up.
Okay.
Yeah, so we train them by the bike
So you're ready
or
for
the cart.
So you're ready for 2023.
Yes.
So you're going to use any of these, or you're going to use the female?
No, them here I go, but we have other one for that.
Oh, so you enter more than one in the race?
Yes, man.
Oh.
We have to carry them. All of what you have to carry. For other people can take picture off of what not using.
Okay.
You understand? And people, what they do, and next man put them on the back and lead them around. Give him a donkey ride and charge him.
Oh yes. That's true.
Yes.
So yes, so this one, why name? I can't touch him here.
Big,
sorry.
yeah, Brocky.
Brocky?
Big man.
Big-
man,
oh,
this
Big
one.
man.
Yeah, me I
Big-
want next one named Brocky. Me
So
and
this
them
is
mix
Big
him.
man.
Yeah.
So we can pet Big Man.
Yes.
And have a bite.
All of them can touch. None of them now bite.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is Big Man.
Yes.
Hello, Big Man. Big
Yeah,
man.
this is Big man.
Big Man.
Yes. This is Bigman. You
Yes.
can't touch him anyhow you want to touch him. Man. You can't do you nothing. You're afraid. You're afraid to haul your hand on him. You can't do you nothing. You pet them. We can't come round same way.
Yes.
And touch this one the same way. You can't do you nothing.
This one is.
Yeah, you can't come touch this one same way.
Yes,
You
yes.
can't do you nothing. Yeah, I pet them. You know?
What
yeah.
your name?
Blackman.
Hi, Blackman.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes. And this one named Warrior.
Hey, warrior.
Yeah.
And I don't want to.
The big man.
Hey, Bigman.
Yes.
Ah. Hey, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So if you give Mama film touch now,
Yeah.
film picture too, and you say I'm going to take what?
Yes.
Black man that. Warrior this.
Yes. So you don't pet them?
You can't touch them, man. They're not trouble you, man. You don't have to worry about that, man. Just touch it, man. You don't have to trouble you, no.
Hey.
Yes. This is big man. Big man. And this is warrior.
Alright, warrior.
And that is black man. Yes. Yes, I enjoy Jamaican ride, you know. Yeah. Yeah, for me FUV.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, fucking road.
Nah, man, you're trying to run and back by your car.
Right, I want to stop here. You want to come back?